record on this computer. Okay, hopefully
All
that
right.
can work. And if not, I'll record another video for you later.
Okay.
So just to review, we are taking a ton of pages that have stats on them, social stats and pulse stats. We're copying the content and we're pasting the content into blog posts, right?
Okay.
Does that sound right?
Yeah, and why? I don't know what the purpose
we are
is.
doing it because they want to be able to present it so that people can see it in a particular format. And there is a limit. So we reorganized it so they could be viewed the way that they wanted to using a structure called an index,
Okay.
which I'm sure you're familiar with. But indexes have a limit of 100 pages within an index. And so you're very quickly going to bump up against that limitation. And so blogs don't have that same limitation. And so if we use a blog, I've structured a page over the blog that gives it that same look. And I think it's a neater structure overall.
Okay. All right.
So if you scroll down, okay, so you can see there's the first one. It's the index page. It says Pulse at Chatham Use Stats. It's got this overview page. If you go ahead and click on that.
Right here?
Yeah. Okay. So it has this overview page, and then it's got a little space. That buffer page just provides some space, so it pushes all the other pages down so you can't see them. It's a trick.
Okay.
And then if you click on the next one down, it says 2018 Pulse Chatham Use Stats. And it's a section that provides a bunch of links to the other pages that are even further down. If you scroll down on the left, you can see all those pages tucked in are the actual stats pages. So I recreated this structure in the blog. So let's go look at the blog. So your job is going to be copy and paste the content from each of these into the blog. And it's going to be really boring. I was like, Bill,
I always get these jobs.
You don't want to pay me to do that. Yeah, you don't. That's that's not how you want to use my hours.
Yeah.
So there's social stats reports is the bottom blog.
Okay.
And go ahead and click on that.
Oop.
I just think it's slow. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see that I sneakily made it look on the right-hand side like that other page, even though we're in a blog. I will. So do you want me to just tell you how to do the thing we're doing, and then later on I can explain to you how it works? Like, I think I'm going to have, do you normally update this?
No.
So someone else is doing this. So later, I will make a video for whoever's job it is to maintain this, because they're going to need to understand how to add a new year to the Select Your Reporting Year section.
Okay.
And you don't need to know that. You just,
don't speak so soon. You know, if it's boring and nobody else wants to do it, Diane can do that. I said those words are going to be on my headstone when I die. Diane can do that. So.
Oh man, I have heard that phrase quite a bit, I will say, in my time hanging out with the Chatham people.
That's right. And it's true. So, okay.
Okay.
Enough of that.
So what I will say is there are two types of blog posts in here that you're going to see. There is the individual month stats blog post, which is that December 2018, November 2018, blah, blah, blah. And then there's the higher level, all of the stats for this year blog post, which you see at the bottom, 2018 social stats.
Right here. Okay.
So you're going to be creating one of those higher level ones for each year.
Okay.
And then you're going to be creating the monthly ones. And all the content is there. It's just really boring cut and paste.
Okay.
Okay. So the best thing to do is to copy in all of the low level ones first. So 2018, 2019, 2020, each month's one, we'll copy all of those first.
Okay.
And then, because then you'll have to go into the high level year one and
Mm-hmm.
link to each of the ones you posted in there, like update.
Oh,
It's gonna
okay.
be so boring. I'm so sorry. Okay, so when I'm doing blog posts, I like to duplicate because that is easy peasy.
Okay.
So I take a blog post that's like the one I already want and I duplicate it.
Mm-hmm.
So go ahead and go to December 2018 and
Okay.
say edit.
Edit.
Yep. And
Okay.
duplicate.
Here? Right?
Nope, down the bottom. Oh, I'm pointing.
Oh, duplicate. Okay.
Duplicate, yeah. Although I may live to regret that I've said that this is what we should do. Okay. You know what? Let's not do this because this is actually going to be more work. Just say delete. Forget it. We're going to start from scratch because you'll have to erase everything, and that is a pain in the butt.
Okay.
Okay. So you're going to open a new tab. Go up to the top where the website that you're in, that link is, and copy that link. Yes. Are you a Control-A, Control-C kind of girl?
Yeah.
Your favorites? Yeah. Okay. And then click plus above there to get a new tab going.
Wait a minute. Okay. Plus. Oh, right here?
Nope. Up by the tab, up above the address.
Oh, a new
So we're
tab.
adding a new tab.
Okay. Oop,
Yep.
how do I get that?
Can you not see it?
No, there's that little, it says you are screen sharing.
Oh, you can grab that and just drag it over.
Oh, okay.
Mine was in my way too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so now paste in that link and just hit enter. Okay, so now click on pages above where it says social status reports on the left side, click pages. Yep, and scroll down and get into the social status stats index. Nope, don't go back in there.
Oh, sorry.
You were just there, you don't want to go back there. Okay, so see the social stats one?
Yeah,
So we're
right
gonna,
here? Mhm.
we're gonna find the next, and honestly, we can just go in order. So underneath 2018, 2019. So yeah, so January 2019, go ahead and open that one up. And we're gonna go ahead and turn on your plugin now. So that green little square that says disabled, you're gonna turn it on. And down the bottom, there's a button and it says enable extension. Bottom right hand side, yep, that's beautiful. You may find your whole page refreshed or maybe not. And so just click away from that. Okay, and you want to, where it says January 2019 social stats at Chatham U, blah, 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 you're gonna click edit. Yep. And now you should see something that says copy. I don't see it. It should say copy layout. Is that not on it? No copy layout. Okay, go back up to the plugin and we're gonna just press all the buttons. Enable extended editor. Let's try that guy first.
Okay.
And let's do enable you. Oh, go ahead and confirm. Let it reload. Oh, you can click the blue reload button. Okay, so scroll on back. You can just scroll down this page, the big page, and get back to that 2019 section. Or you can do it that way too. That's perfect. Go ahead and click on that. I think if you just click on the paper, oh, don't click that button. Just click on, instead of clicking on the name, click on the little piece of paper icon. Nope, to the left.
Oh.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, so click edit or for the one that says January 2019 social stats. And hopefully there's going to be a button that says, Oh, I think you need to scroll up some. There should be a button that says copy, copy layout or copy. Now I'm going to open up mine and see what it actually
Okay.
is. You cannot minimize Zoom while you're recording. Okay, I won't. I'm going to do another. Hold on. How do I get that button to pop up? I just did this last night on someone else's website.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's an interior designer and she's restructuring her whole business to just be a blog.
Oh.
And she had written some things that should have been blog posts, but they were stored outside the blog. And so I used this to copy the page. All right, let's see. If I go in here and I say edit. Yeah, there should be a button that says copy, insert, and presets. Right below that black bar that says editing January 2019 Chatham. You don't have that button? Copy, insert, and presets. Let's see, what do I have?
There's a little plus here. Would it be?
No, that it would.
Okay.
Let me share. I'm going to show you. Share my screen here. Oh,
Want me to stop share?
sure. All right. Now I'm going to share mine. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I have all these things up here. Let me scooch that over. Okay. So we're on this lovely interior design site. And you can see that here's my tool. It has the green enabled. And then my extended editor is activated and the extension itself is activated. And maybe, so can you, in your window, open up the green block and let's check our settings to make sure we match, even these check marks on the left side?
Yes, I do. Is that, there I am, right? Yes.
So do you have enable content presets, enable page injections? Do you have all those same things checked? I have all sorts of things checked. I don't think any of those have to do with it, but let's just make sure we match.
Okay, like I'm seeing yours, so I can't.
If you Alt Tab, it will let you go back to your window.
Oh, okay.
And it can talk you through. So under additional options, let me know when you have it opened.
I do.
Okay, so do you see the green enabled in the top right-hand corner?
Yes.
Okay, so under additional options, do you have enable file manager checked?
No.
Okay, check
It
that.
says enable nav search is checked.
Oh, I don't even have enable nav search. How about enable content presets?
Nope. You want me to check those?
Yeah, so we're gonna try to make sure we match. So you want enable file manager, enable content presets, enable page injections, enable nav search, enable nav toggle, enable lazy summaries, table block, and advanced map block.
Yes.
And then you have those two bottom right buttons should be black and they should say disable extended editor and disable extension.
Yes.
Okay, so when you click away, it may tell you it wants to reload and just click the reload button if it does. And if it doesn't, I would press Ctrl+R and make it reload anyway.
Okay. Ctrl+R. Okay.
And this should not be something that you need to repeat every time. Like this should be a one-time setup thing. So don't feel like you need to take notes and memorize. Like,
do this. Okay.
Okay. Now, if you look back at my screen, if you Alt Tab and get back to my little lovely Dakoko design.
Okay.
When I click edit on her page there, you see this copy insert presets?
Yes.
So this is what we want to see on yours, because you're going to use that copy button and it's going to copy all of the content in this section.
Okay.
So let's see if you can get in to the 2019 page, click edit, and see that block.
Okay. So I got to get out of here, right? The January 19, you said?
Yeah.
I see edit banner settings and manage sections.
And when you click edit, it should.
Yeah, copy, insert presets. Yay!
So I'm going to stop sharing and you're going to share again.
Okay.
See, we just, a little stick-to-itiveness is all it takes.
Yep, that's all.
That's how I work, you know. I just refuse to believe that I can't do something. Like, no, I can do that. It's going to happen. Okay, so whenever you're ready to share, you can go ahead and share.
Okie doke.
Okay, so you're going to say copy. Okay, that's good news. That means that the copy worked. And you can click OK. And now you're going to click on the other tab that we were on first. So the Pulse at Chatham. Yep. Click that. Okay, and now you're going to click the plus button. We're going to create a new blog post. And you're going to do insert right there. Just say insert. And say, okay.
And insert again?
No, it should have just inserted, let's go up and let's see, what? Go ahead and press insert again. What, or did it not work? Oh, you need to copy some layout data before the insert, but we did. Maybe it won't let us do between windows. Okay, so go ahead and say, which I know is not true because this used to be how I used to duplicate websites before they let you do it. But fine. Say okay, and say cancel. And go ahead and click on pages in the top left corner, and we're gonna go do it the hard way.
Okay.
So we're just gonna do the same steps you already did. We're gonna scroll down to that 2019 Chatham.
Should I get rid of this?
Yeah, you can close that out.
Okay. All right. 2000 January. Okay, here.
Yep.
Okay.
And it should zing you down to that section in a second, but maybe it won't. Oh, there it is. Awesome. So you're going to hover over that January 2019 area. You're going to click edit. You're going to click copy. You may have to scroll back up to see the copy button. There it is. And say, okay. And then you can click cancel. And go back to the blog.
Is this it, right?
Nope, keep going way down. You won't see pages like that.
Oh.
There's social stats reports.
Okay. Click on that.
Yeah. Okay, and now click the plus button and click insert. And say confirm. That's it. Super easy. So we need to name the blog post. So go up to the, scroll up to the top of the stuff that you just inserted. And that's the name of the blog post right there, January 2019 social stats. You can just copy that and then paste it into post title. Okay, and then you can click on, see where it says tags and categories in the bottom left-hand corner?
Yep.
Yep, so click on tags and we're gonna type 2019 and you can hit enter or type a comma. And then you're going to type in lowercase January 2019. And hit enter. So this is going to make us be able to do things with these later. And so it's important to do it now while it's painless. And then you click on categories, because I can't remember if I made categories, but we want to use this. Oh, there's no category. Awesome. So you just need to add the year tag and the month and year tag. And then you can say, oh, and then click where it says draft, click draft. Bottom, right above save and publish.
Oh, okay.
And we're going to set the date on this blog post to be the date of the stats so that they'll sort in appropriate order.
Okay.
So go ahead and click on published, and then click on the date link that's right there. That's September 24th.
Wait.
No, see where back down where published is still.
Oh, okay.
Click on that. And I've been setting them to the last day of the month and year that they were posted. So you're going to scroll back to January 2019, and you're going to pick 30 days have September, April, June, and November. So 31st, and then say save. And that's it. It's super not exciting. I'm really, really sorry.
It's okay. Believe me, I know it's hard to believe it. This is not the most boring thing I've ever had to do.
I mean, it is a little cathartic when you think, oh my gosh, I could have had to recreate every single one of those blocks and cut and paste.
Yes.
Yeah, so this tool is my favorite thing ever, and you now have superpowers.
Yeah, okay, good.
So do you want to do one more so that I can coach you through it? So you'll do the same thing with all of the posts under that stack, including the high-level month ones. And then for the high-level month ones, if you scroll down a little bit and find the 2018, so if you click on 2018 social stats, go ahead and click on that one and say edit over on the, that's good too. And so see those selective reporting months? When you copy this page and paste it over, you're going to have to change all of those reporting month links to point to the blog post now instead of the old page. So it's not as hard as it seems.
Okay.
If you click on the December 2018 link, I think I fixed all of these already, so it'll give you a good idea of how it's done. Oh, press Control Z.
Control what?
Control Z.
D?
Z like Z.
Oh, Z.
Yeah, that's
Sorry
undo.
about that.
No, that's fine. So just maybe double click on the link. Oh, they do not, they don't make it easy. Gosh. All right, so we're gonna go back. Did I not? Oh, I didn't even fix it. Oh my gosh, really? Where are we? Oh no, it did. Okay, I did fix it. Thank goodness. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can actually, oh my gosh, what a pain. See the November 2018 social stats? If you click that link and then scroll down again and click the October one. We should have just gone back through, but. So you can see that this is a nicer treatment because you can navigate between the stats more easily. Okay,
right.
Scroll down one more time and we should see the high level one for 2018 on the right hand side again. There it is. Go ahead and click on that one. So it's nicer overall. I'm kind of surprised they didn't do it this way, but okay, so instead of clicking on that December link, just right click on it.
Right here?
Yeah, and see in the bottom, let's see in the bottom, that gray, it says the way bottom, right above where it says type here to search, and it says HTTPS, Chatham, Squarespace, blah, blah, blah. So the link you need to put in there is the / social stats reports / and then you can actually copy and paste the link from the individual blog posts. Again, another really tedious, yucky one. Yeah. But these will.
So I don't take that whole URL there.
Yeah, just from / social stats reports.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I think you'll have to.
Okay.
And so you'll also notice that I was renaming the URLs to be more sensical, but I wouldn't bother. I don't think it adds any value.
Okay.
So you don't have to do that part. But yes,
Okay.
and so what you can actually do is to grab those URLs, one of the ways you can do it is see how in the previous, right there, it says October 2018 social stats. If you right clicked on that and said copy link address, it would get you the address of the blog post. No,
Okay.
where the previous thing is. See where it says previous? How we were navigating between the.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I know what you mean. Yeah.
Sorry, this is really awful.
No, it's fine.
So I might, if I were you, I think maybe I would just keep a pad of paper with a checklist so you can just check off. I definitely did that page. I did that page in case you can't sit and do it all at once.
Yeah. Okay.
So why don't you go ahead and do it once? That way I can help you.
You really want to?
Of
You
course.
have to. Okay. We're doing February now, right?
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay. So, and go here, right?
Yep.
And I'm going to.
It takes it a little while to scroll down there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I'm thinking about it. I might
Pardon
get
me?
there. Okay, good.
Okay, now I'm going to go back up to where it starts. Whoop. Okay, then I want to copy, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then I want to cancel.
Yep.
And then I want to go down to here
Yep.
and do this
Yep.
and
Nope.
do that. Oh,
You can Control Z that.
oh, sorry.
You're fine.
Yeah. And this.
Yep.
And then do this.
Great.
And save.
Nope. Tags and fix
Oh,
it.
tags. Yes. Okay. Enter. Whoop.
Oh, so you want to say February 2019.
Yeah, right.
And hit enter. There you go. And so go over and click draft.
Yep. Save.
Yeah. So there are two sets of these. There's the social stats reports, and then there's another index for pulse stats.
Mm-hmm.
There is not a database yet or a database. It feels like a database. There's not a blog yet for the pulse stats one, but I'll make you one.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. And where are those?
So I think they're just below. So I try to keep the stuff in unlinked in alphabetical order, but this isn't my site. So,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I did not reorganize their closet, even though I really wanted to. But it's right there. If you look just down underneath the social stats, right, you'll see pulse chat.
Okay.
So what I will do is I will create that blog. I will get that first set, that pulse chat and use stats, that first one, I'll bring that in.
Mm-hmm.
And I will probably just create the 2018 set just to get you going.
Well, you don't have to just do like one or two maybe.
Okay.
Then I'll pick up the rest.
Yeah, and just go in order.
Okay.
right, so do you want to take some notes, or are you feeling good? What do you want to do? Want to do it?
Yeah,
You can
I'm
take some
good.
notes?
And if you can send me the recording, or
Yeah.
how do I get that?
I will send it to you.
Okay.
All right. It was a pleasure seeing you for the very
You
first
too.
time.
It was great. Thank you. It was very informative, and this is pretty easy, I think. So,
It's easy. I'm
yeah.
sorry it's boring.
Yeah, it's okay. When I'm done, then I go in and disable the.
Yes, I was going to say that. When you are done, go in and disable that thing because it can be kind of evil and make things look weird.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like anytime like I'll do so much of this, and then if I'm done with it, then disable it and then re-enable it when I'm starting again, right?
Yeah, and you shouldn't have the problems that we had today with getting it
Okay.
to work right. Like it
Yeah.
should, if you click those two buttons off
Yes.
on the bottom right hand side, that should be enough, and clicking them back on should also be enough.
Okay.
It should, yeah.
All right.
Much smoother sailing next time.
Okay.
Okay?
All
Let me know if
right.
you have any questions. This video will take a few minutes to process, but as soon as it's up, I will send you the link.
Okay, great.
All right. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Belinda. It was a pleasure.
Bye. Have a good one.
Okay. Thanks, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.